What's up guys? So today in front of me is a small but neat little gadget. It's called Smart Mailbox Alarm and it is made by X-Sense. It comes with its own base station and its operation is very simple. Its function is very simple that it notifies you as soon as you receive a mail in your mailbox. So for those of you who would really like to know when they have received a mail, maybe you have installed your mailbox quite far from your home, or just in general you would like to know when their email arrives, I think this is the right gadget. So let's check it out. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes packed in a very compact box. Inside it you get a sensor, base station, an adhesive sheet for your sensor, and some documentation. Now that we have the product out of the box, this is the base station, this is the sensor, and this is the back plate that will go here so that you can install this plate with an adhesive to the cover of your mailbox, lid of your mailbox, and this part can be easily removed when you want to. For example, if you want to change the battery, and a base station will be installed in your home. So these are the three main components that you should be worried about along with the adhesive. So if you're wondering how to do the installation is very simple. This sensor comes with a built-in battery which can last you up to 4 years, and it is a replaceable battery. Once you're done, you can remove the screws and replace it. This is the base station. It does not have a built-in battery, but you can use it power bank or something because it just charges by a micro USB, or you can just keep it plugged in inside your home. And you will plug it inside your home, and before you install it on the mailbox, you will actually pair both of these with the X-Sense app. So first, you will take the base station and go to add devices and press add base station, select the right base station, and once that, the app will ask you to press this button for 5 seconds. Once you do that, the app will proceed and add it to your Wi-Fi and smart app by asking the Wi-Fi password. Once you have done the base station, again base station must be added to the app first before you can add the sensor. Once you have integrated the base station with the app, then you will take the sensor, and from the add devices section of the X-Sense app, you will select add sensor, and then it will give you the mailbox alarm sensor. After that, the app will ask you to press this button twice. Once you have done that, the app will proceed and automatically connect it not only with your base station but also with your Wi-Fi. Remember, this sensor is IP65 waterproof, so you can install it outside as well on some of the mailboxes where the app asks you so. The base station has a built-in speaker which can give you a sound of 100 decibels, maximum sound of 100 decibels. You can control the sound from the app, and as soon as you receive a mail inside your mailbox, this will start ringing and you will know that it have received a mailbox. And there is an indicator light inside the base station, and it will also start blinking. Red light will start blinking, and it will keep blinking unless you clear the notification by pressing the button on the base station. So the red blinking light even after the notification is gone is to give you an indication that you still have it pending in your mailbox, so go pick it up. But since this is a smart alarm, so not only you will get notification on the base station, you will actually get notification on your smart app as well. And on the smart app, you will get a push notification. You can go inside the X-Sense settings and silence the alarm as well. You can use the X-Sense app to control different settings for either the sensor or the base station. So for example, you can change the ringtone for the base station, or you can see the battery life of the sensor, and for example, you can control the volume of this base station, and you can also share it, and you can also share the base station with other members of your family. So it allows family sharing as well, so that multiple people can get notified when there is a mail. Regarding the transmission range between the sensor and the base station, so I don't know the exact transmission distance between the base station and the sensor, but their official product page mentions that it is very long. So I am assuming you should be good with the transmission even if your mailbox is installed a few hundred meters away from your home. One other thing that I think is a neat feature is that when your mailbox is opened and closed multiple times within 2 minutes, you will receive only one ringtone, because there is a cool off period of 2 minutes. You get one ringtone per 2 minutes. So And this is to make sure that you don't get bothered if you receive multiple mails, or it is opened or closed, or someone is just bugging you, so you will not keep getting notifications multiple times. One thing to note is that this sensor will only work with mailboxes that have lids on them. Any mailbox that does not have a lid on it, it will not work with them. So for example, it will work with post mount, wallet mount, slot type mount, and cluster type mailboxes. So it will work all of them. But if your mailbox does not have a lid on it, because it uses lid, opening of the lid as a detection uh, signal, so if you don't have it, it will not work fine. And this was the like a simple X-Sense gadget that I wanted to share with you guys. And it is listed for just $32 Amazon right now, and I think for the price it's a really good buy. So if you are out looking for a smart mailbox alarm, I think definitely give this one a try. You're definitely going to like it. So let me know what you think of it, and if you have any other sensors and mailbox alarm in your mind, you can share those in the comments, and I will try to review them as soon as possible. Take great care of yourself. Bye.